let's start now with the session. So very first question, how many of you know what is Vedic mathematics? So you can chat down or you can speak if you want. How many of you know that what is Vedic mathematics? Ayan knows, yes. That's all. You know how to use chat box?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
you know, Shreyan, do you know Kiran? Kiara, sorry. Do you know what is
Yes.
Vedic mathematics?
No.
Okay, not an issue. Even if you don't know, no issues, no problems. Ayan has now written, I don't know. No problem. Okay. So how many of you have a fear of mathematics? Kiara has a fear of mathematics. Neve has. You can write down. You can write down. Okay. So all of you, nearly everybody has a fear of mathematics, correct? One more question. How many of you have a fear of tables? Yes, Shreyan, you know tables?
Yes, sir.
So how many of you have that fear of tables? You can chat also, you can write also, you can speak. I have opened your mics. You can speak one by one if you want. Okay, I'll ask everybody now, starting from me. So you can write down tables up to number. Yes,
Sir, I can write down tables of 7.
Up till 7. So that means if you are okay.
Sir, only 7.
Then Kiara,
5.
5. Okay, Snow is Ansika.
Up to 10.
Up to 10. Good. Rudra, Kanak.
Up to 12.
Okay. And Mahaswani.
Sir, up to 15.
Great. Ayan.
11.
Bilkul, don't worry. Today, after this workshop, you can write down tables up till 99 easily. And that too. Okay, Shan, how much? Okay, 11 table. How much time you need to write a table of 9? Shan? Or 8?
15 minutes.
Oh, so much time. So after this, you will be learning this within 10 seconds. Can you believe? Okay, we'll start. Not to worry. Don't worry at all. Whosoever knows or don't know, don't worry at all. So we'll start with our workshop. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So we have, we'll be learning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll be learning maths in an easy way. And to learn maths in an easy way, Vedic mathematics plays a very important role. It is a key for that success. See, you cannot escape from mathematics. So there is no alternative. You cannot escape from mathematics because you have to deal in money. And without money, you cannot do anything. So now you are left with only one choice. Either be uncomfortable, take that fear along with you, or learn Vedic mathematics to remove that fear and move to the confidence. Correct? So this we'll be learning today. A lot of tricks we'll be learning, lot of methods we'll be learning. All those who are thinking that it takes time, it will not take. time at all. So welcome to the magical world of Vedic mathematics. Now, why I am calling it as magical? Magical I am calling because of the speed. Now, all of you told me that you know tables up till 9, 6, 5, anything. But today itself, you'll learn so many tables without investing any time. So within this workshop only, you'll learn so many tables. And that is the most important thing in mathematics in earlier classes. If you have any questions in between, you can chat or you can speak, but see that two people are not speaking together, correct? So that everybody is able to listen to you. So let's start this workshop together and do our best to gain knowledge, right? And we'll try to support each other. Now, how do we support? If one is speaking, the other can be silent at that moment and listen to him. And we have to respect each other. There should be no first me or something like that. So we all will work together today, correct? Now, about me. See, I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna. I'm an international certified trainer for Vedic mathematics, correct? I'm also an author for books Learn Vedic Mathematics Step by Step. And I'm an educator from last 24 years, and I motivate and help people to remove fear of mathematics. So how many of you have fear of mathematics? Yes, Kiara has. Shayan, you have fear of mathematics? You can chat down. If you are not able to speak, you can chat down. How many of you have fear of mathematics? If you have fear, you can write down yes. If you don't have fear, write down no. Kanak has, Neve has, Pratna has, others? Kiara has raised the hand. Rudra don't have, great. Little bit Mansui, little Ayan, great. Okay, let's move ahead. So what we will be studying in this workshop in these 2 days? So we'll be studying regarding introduction to Vedic mathematics. What is this Vedic mathematics? Now, it is an excellent tool for developing interest towards numbers and making calculations of fun. So you'll see all the calculations which you used to think it is very tough, it would be just a funny, it would be just a game, correct? Will also, everybody is able to understand English? See, any confusion, anything you need in between, you can just write down. So we'll be learning concepts on fast multiplication, and we'll also learn tables of any numbers ending with 9 in seconds. And third, we'll be also learning tables of any 2, 3, 4 digit number in an easy manner. So which would be with the games and fun. Correct. So what is now objective of this workshop? The objective is transformation of fear to confidence. So whatever fear you have, जो भी डर लग रहा है, किसके डर लग रहा है वो बिल्कुल भूल जाओ. There would be no fear after this workshop. You'll all enjoy it. Maths would be just like a fun. Okay. Second thing, you'll forget calculators. Calculator की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी आपको. And how to apply this mathematics in real life situation, you'll learn that. जब आप ग्रोसरी शॉप पे या कहीं भी बाहर जाके पेमेंट पैसे देके सामान लेते हैं तो आपको कैलकुलेशन नहीं आ पाता कि कैसे मैंने उनसे पैसे लेने हैं, कैसे देने हैं, या कितना मुझे वापस मिलेगा. So you learn all those live situations. And last not the least, you'll impart, आपके अंदर ये feeling आ जाएगी कि yes, I can do. Correct? So that feeling is important, that you'll enjoy that feeling, that positivity in yourself, you'll enjoy. Correct? So let's move now ahead. So this would be a total fun with the real life applications. We'll enjoy the learning methods for this course would be games, enjoy and fun, but still we'll be learning a lot. Okay, so how many of you know this game? Please write down what is the name of this game, if you know. Please write down. Tic tac toe, everybody same. Correct. Okay, so are you ready with your paper and pen? If yes, all are ready. Anybody who is not ready? Everyone ready? So just draw this. Can you draw this? Can you draw this on your paper and paper?
Yes.
Once you have done, please let me know. We'll play a game.
Sir, I have drawn.
Good. You can chat so that everyone should know. Kanak done, Neve done, Rudra, what happened? Ayan, very simple. Okay, so let's move to the second step. So all of us have drawn this. Correct? Up till here done. Now, see what I am doing. Write 1, 2, 3. Then move towards this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you write down this? Can you write down up till this? Just give me a second. here now? Now for all those who told me that okay, let's play a game now. Let us see one thing. How many of you know table of 19? How many of you know the table of 19? Ayan does not know. Table of 9. Okay. So first we'll start with table of 19. I'll explain you. See, whatever number we have. Now this is like 19 number. This whatever number, whatever digit we have before 9, just keep it here. Correct? And now to this digit, whatever this digit is, add 1. So that gives me a new number, that is 2. Add 2 to this, every number. So 1 plus 2 gives me 3. Plus 2 gives me 5. 5 plus 2 gives me 7. 7 plus 2 gives me 9. 9 plus 2 gives me 11. 11 plus 2 gives me 13. 13 plus 2 gives me 15. 15 plus 2 gives me 17. So what is this? This is 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 4s are 76, 5s are 95, 6s are 114, 7s are 133, 8s are 152, and 9s are 171. How many of you understood this? Yes, Ayan, आपको समझ आया? You can speak up, because once you'll tell me, then only I would be able to understand your problems. Neve, आपको समझ आया?
Yes, sir, a little bit.
Little bit, कोई बात नहीं. Kiara,
No, sir. I'm not able to understand.
कोई बात नहीं. You should speak up. If you don't understand, then also you speak up, so that I'll be explaining you again. Correct? Okay, Snows.
Yes, sir. I'm able to understand.
Rudra. Kanak.
Yes, sir, little bit.
Rudra. Okay, Manaswani.
Yes, sir, I understood this.
Pratna, I think you are 14 years, correct?
No, sir, I'm not 13 yet.
Okay. So
I'm 14 years.
You were knowing this trick earlier?
I actually saw this video.
Okay. Okay, not an issue. For everyone who did not understand, let's do it again. It is a very beautiful concept. After this, the fear of tables will go away. You will not have to remember or cram tables at all. Okay, Neem, let's say we write a table of 9. Now, very first thing, remember this thing, we are doing tables of only those numbers which are ending with 9. So that means 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 99, so and 99, or even 119, or 10009, anything. So any big number comes to you, it is very simple. The only thing is it should end with 9. Now let's see the number table of only 9. Now, what is the number before, what is the digit before 9? Yes, Neve?
8.
Not in this. Here, Neve, my point is there any number, any digit in front of 9? See,
No,
it is a
sir.
single digit number. So we don't have anything in front. That means it is 0. Are you getting? In case of 19, it was having 1. In case of 29, it will have 2. Is it clear now? Yes, Neve?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. So what is the new number we can get? 0 plus 1. Whatever number this is, add 1. So we get a new number 1. Correct? Up till here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have to start from this only. Write 0 and add the new number. So adding new number here will give me 1. Again add the new number. It will give me 2. Again add the new number. It will give me 3. Again add the new number. Now you can do verbally also. Now what is this? Yes, Nee, what is this? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36.
Sir, I know table of 9.
So now you can write down speedily
Okay.
without cramming. See what we have done. First we wrote 1 to 9. Then we come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes,
Anyone,
sir.
anyone
Yes,
left?
sir.
Anyone left?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who is not understood still, please let me know. We'll do again. Only one Kanak said yes. Other? See, don't worry. If you have not done in school, then also you can do here. So you will be in the front runners. Sorry?
I've not done this in school.
Nobody has done it. Beta, this concept is not done. But this makes everything very easy. Now let's do a bigger number. Let's say 29. So if I have to do with 29, so first thing is this 2 I will put here, correct? And what I have to add now? 1 more than 2, that is 3. So what is 2 plus 3? Yes, what is 2 plus 3?
5.
5 plus 3?
8.
8 plus 3?
11.
11 plus 3?
14.
14.
14 plus 3?
17.
17 plus 3?
20.
20 plus 3?
23.
23.
23 plus 3,
26.
26.
26 plus 3,
30.
26
30.
plus 3 is 29, beta. Last is always. So see, now we have done 29 table within seconds. 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 29 threes are 87, 29 fours are 116, then 145, 1720. Got it or not? Still anybody who has not understood this? See, when we go up, when we write the first numbers that we write, we move from here, then this way. But when we write the second number, we come opposite. We come this way, we go this way, and we move back this way. Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes.
Okay, let us, okay, then all of you write table of 39. You'll be able to write? Try at least.
Yes, sir.
Backward counting. So try 39. If you face any problem, I'll explain you again. And see, whatever you have not done in the class, that also you'll be learning within 2 hours. Once whosoever has done it, they'll let me know. Yes, Pratna. So you have done now?
I am doing, sir.
Did you get the concept? I think you, since you have seen the video, now it is clear to you. Okay, Ayan, you cannot. What happened, Ayan? Tell me. क्या हुआ बेटा?
Sir, I can't do it.
नहीं, can't तो ठीक है. क्यों? क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Just I don't understand how many we have to add.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलोगे आप? माइक को अपने पास करो.
Yeah, so I don't understand what we have to add.
We will add one more than 3. So we have to add 4.
Okay, sir.
Now do. Whatever number is there before 9, we have to add one more to that. और किसी की प्रॉब्लम? अयान, आप समझ आ गया?
Sir, I will try.
हाँ, just try बेटा. Not to worry. आप कर लोगे. बहुत easy है ये. You'll be able to.
Sir,
Yes. Who is this?
I don't remember. Kiara Saxena.
Yes, Kiara, tell me.
I don't remember what's the table of.
39.
Okay. Sir, I have.
Yes, beta. Ask.
Sir, I have done.
You have done. Who is this?
Shreyan.
Very good. If you have done, that is good. So should I explain now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So first number as it is. Now if it is 3, so 1 more than 3 is?
Sir,
What
I
is-
have done.
Great, beta. Okay, tell then 1 more than 3 is? What is 1 more than 3?
4.
4.
One more than three, na?
Yes. So
More
that
than
means
three is
we have to add 4 every time. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is? Yes, 7 plus 4. Ayan.
7.
11.
11 plus 4.
23.
15.
15.
15 plus 4.
19.
19 plus 4.
23.
Very good. 23 plus 4. 27. 27 plus 4.
31.
31 plus 4.
35.
35.
So now this is table of 39. How many seconds we can take? We can write this table within 10 seconds. Is it clear now, Ayan? Anyone who has doubt still? Anyone? Anyone who has a doubt?
someone to understand. Huh? How is sir understand?
So, sorry? Anyone who has a doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
सबको समझ आ गया? चलो एक बहुत इजी सा करते हैं, एक बहुत इजी सा करते हैं, बहुत इजी 49 का लिखो, वेरी इजी, you'll enjoy this 49, very easy. I'll give you a hint. First number would be 4 and you have to add 5 every time. ठीक है, मैंने हिंट भी दे दिया अब आपको. Write down the table. So you can write down this. Yes, please. किसी ने लिख लिया? Kanak, have you done 49?
Yes, sir.
So you understood the
Sir,
concept?
I'm also done.
Five,
Sir, I'm also done.
Pratna also done. Who else has done?
14. 19. 19 plus 5. 21, 22, 20,
ना 20 के बोल रहे
20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24 पर 5 again.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Who is this?
Shreyan.
You are doing good. Good, beta. Very good.
Twenty, 43,
20.
So everybody has done now?
29 plus 5.
Or you need
sir,
time?
just 2 minutes.
Okay. Take your time.
20. 9 plus 5 for 12. 29 plus 5 for 12. 21. 29 plus 5 for 12 again.
30,
जल्दी कर लो
4,
34 plus 9 for 12. जल्दी कर
35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
39 plus 5 again. Yeah, one. 39 plus 5 for 12.
42,
जल्दी बोलो
5.
5 क्या ना होगा
Sir, I have done.
Who's this?
Rudra Joshi.
Good.
I have done. Sir,
Very
Shreyan.
good. Very good. Everybody is good. So थोड़ा थोड़ा डर जा रहा है टेबल्स का.
Yes.
Feeling confident?
Yes.
चलो एक लास्ट और करते हैं. बहुत सिंपल. Very simple. You will enjoy that also. 99. A table of 99.
এগুলো না এই লাস্টের দিকে লিখো
So we can write down
Abar.
table of 99. See, now you've never thought of writing tables more than 11, 12, and now you are able to write the table of 99 also. Correct? So now you can boost in front of your friends. You'll be more confident now. And such a easy technique.
করার আছে 9 আছে না এটা লিখলে কোথায় কোথায় লিখবে এখানে লিখবে 9 plus 1 কত হয়
I'll just give you a hint. It would be 9. Then add 10. Okay, this 9
Add 10.
means
9% কত হবে
so adding 10 to it. So 9, it becomes 19. Then becomes 29. So easy. Now you can write down rest.
পরে কত আসবে এটা এটা 4 হয়ে যাবে 49 फटाफट लिखो 39 এর পরে তো কেমনে
मैम प्लीज स्पीकर या तो बंद कर लीजिए.
सॉरी मैम सॉरी सर
No issues. So 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79. Yes, Pratna. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Kanak,
Yes, I have done.
Ayan, come, Ayan, come. Now you are clear.
Sir, I have not done.
Ayan Kamboj, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now you are clear.
Yes.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, great. So clap for yourself first, because now you are able to write tables up till 99. So feel that confidence. Clap for yourself.
Sir,
Correct.
can you just the answer of table 99?
Now, let me tell you one thing. It's not only for 2-digit numbers. You can write 3-digit numbers also in this, but because it won't be a part of your, maybe you don't need it. I'll just explain one. I'll explain how 3-digit number goes. You just listen to it so that you have in your mind that it is not only for 2-digit numbers, it can go for 3 also. Now, let's take, you tell me any example. Any example. Anybody can say any 3-digit number ending with 9. Yes?
149.
Great. So 149. So before this 9, we have 14. So 14 initially. Now we have to add one more. That means we have to add 15. So 14 plus 15 makes 29. 29 plus 15 makes, yes, 29 plus 15. 44. 44 plus 15 makes
59.
59. 59 plus 15 makes, yes, 74.
74.
Then 89. Then 104. Then 119. Then
134.
So what is this? This is a table of 149. Did we ever thought of it कि हम 149 का टेबल लिख सकते हैं? Yes. Everybody. Let me see your faces now. How are you happy or not? Please switch off on your videos. Yes. Where are you all? Yes, Kanak, Daisy. So happy or not? Are you happy
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes, Kiara, what happened? No excitement. You are able to write a table of 149. Half an hour before we were thinking we can write only tables up till 11, 12 or 16, something like that. Now you can write down any number. It is 149 is just an example. You can write down the table of 1099 also. It's just so simple. So anybody who has a doubt in this concept? Yes, Neve, Rudra, Kanak, Pratna, anybody who has a doubt? Juliet, sorry, oh,
Sir.
Ayan. Ayan, video on karo beta.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Manaswini? You can. Yes, no? Anybody has a doubt still? Anybody has a doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
So should we move to the next topic?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go back to next topic. So this was where we started. We started with a game. And then we moved. So this was how we wrote. I'll be sharing you the notes today. Don't worry. So this way we write down the first step right in the magic box. Then to write a table of 0, 9, we go this way. Writing a table of 19, first step, second step, and filling all. Writing a table of 29. So now you can write down any table of number ending with 9. Okay. Now I have a question for everybody. How many digits you can have at one place value? Yes. Yes, Pratna. Yes, Kiara.
Sir, only 9?
No, I'm asking how many digits you can have at one place value. एक प्लेस वैल्यू पर कितने डिजिट्स कर सकते हैं हम? एक बेटा.
Sir, 1?
Yes. This is only what you have to remember. Why? I'll explain you. Now, everybody can write down the table of 39, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if I ask you to write a table of 38, how many will be able to write? Yes. How many of you have confidence? How many of you can write table of 38 in less time? Yes, everybody can take half an hour and then write. But if I say in 1 minute or 2 minutes, how many of you can write down? Yes, tell me. Yes, please. बोलिए. आप बोलेंगे नहीं तो पता कैसे चलेगा?
Sir, I can.
How much time?
About to 10 minutes.
Who is this?
Kiara Saxena.
Okay, Kiara. And others? Neve? So, beta, now I'll tell you the trick to write the table. Pratna, you can write?
Yes, sir.
How much time you need?
5 minutes.
So, yes, Neve, you have raised the hand. Tell me.
Sir, I can write in 10 minutes.
Good. Ayan?
I will take 15 minutes.
So if I ask you to write down in very small time, very less time, how will you do? See, today I'll give you a trick to write down any table within seconds. Correct. So only thing you should know is single digit addition. Correct. So how many of you know single addition?
I know.
Single digit addition, you are clear because just now also you did. Correct.
I also.
Very good. So now see, It's not 38, beta. It is any table. Any table you want to write, you can write down in seconds. Now, what is general practice? Okay, we'll start with a very small digit. Let's say a number is 12. So what is 12 twos are? What comes after 12 in a table of 12? 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. Now what we are doing actually is we are adding 12 every time. To 12 we added 12. So that gave me 24. Then I added 12. It gave me 36. Then I added 12. It gave me 48. Is it? This is how you do? Yes, Kiara? Kiara, ऐसे ही करते हैं आप? अयान?
Yes, sir.
अयान, आपने बोला था 12 तक के टेबल्स आते हैं, तो ये ऐसे ही करते हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
या कोई और मेथड यूज करते हैं आप लोग? So for this, if we follow the same trick, now this is time consuming. Why? This was simple number, we were easily able to add. What happens if the number was bigger? For example, if I have asked to write a table of 88, now it becomes very difficult every time adding 88. So second time it would be 176. Then, oh, again I have to add. So 176. Then add. I get 4. I get 6. I get 2. Correct? Am I doing right?
Yes.
But this method is very time consuming. We will not do by this. No. So what is the easiest method? Now see, if I have to write a table of 12, just take it, this digit is at tens place. This digit is at unit place. And write down the table separately. Now table of 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Is it correct?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes.
Anyone has a doubt?
No, sir.
Now write down the table of 1. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7.
Very good, beta. Okay. Now I told you just now to remember one thing. You cannot have 2 digits at one place. Now in this, 1 is at unit place, 1 is at tens. So write it as it is. Here also we have 1 digit at unit, 1 at that. So write as it is. Here also same. Here also same. Now problem arises here. Here I have 2 digits at unit place, which is not advisable. So what I do, I move this extra digit to tens place. So 0 is constant. Now 5 plus 1 becomes, what is 5 plus 1?
6.
Yes.
6.
So what was 12 plus 12 into 5? That was also 60. Okay, 2 is constant. This one I shift here. So what is 6 plus 1?
Ma'am, sir, 7.
So
7.
again here 4, 7 plus 1 is
Sir, 8. 8.
correct. Here it is 6. What is 8 plus 1? Are you getting what I am doing?
9. 9.
8. So what is this? This is a table of now 12. See, instead of adding 12 every time, we are just adding single digits. समझ आई बात?
Yes.
Yes,
हमने
sir.
जो इतना बड़ा टेबल याद करना था वो बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे अब हम बिल्कुल सिंपली बिल्कुल सिंपल मैनर में हम उसको याद कर रहे हैं सिंगल डिजिट को ऐड करके। ये सिस्टम इजी है या 12 into 12 से याद करना इजी था? 12 then 24 then 36, which is easy to find? This method or this is A method जो हम यूजुअली करते हैं, and this is B method, the Vedic maths method. Which is
Sir.
easy now?
Sir, Vedic maths method.
Now with this method you can write down any table you want, any table you can think of. चलो कोई भी टेबल बताओ 2 डिजिट का. Let's try that first. पहले ये समझ आया? How many of you are clear with this? Yes, Neve, Kiara, Pratna, Snow,
Yes,
Rudra, Kanak, Mahaswini, Shreyan, Ayan. किसको? डेजी, किसको क्लियर हुआ? Anyone who is
Yes, sir, I
clear?
understood.
कनक को समझ आया सिर्फ? Others?
Sir, yes, sir, I understood.
You write down then, so that I should know by the name who is clear
Sir,
now.
I was understood.
Ayan,
Yes, sir.
समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
तो लिख दो बेटा. अभी और टेबल करेंगे. मैंने बोला आज टेबल्स का आपके मन में जो डर है ना, टेबल्स वो खत्म करना है. जैसे 9 का खत्म हो गया ऐसे ही सारे टेबल्स का खत्म हो जाएगा. You will not never be in trouble. This is a life changing moment जो आज आपको पूरी मैथ्स आ जाएगी. अगर टेबल्स आ गए तो आधी मैथ आ गई आपको. करेक्ट. सो लेट्स टेक सम बिगर नंबर. बोलो क्या नंबर लें? चलो पहले 18 ले लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. अब देखो अगर 18 करते हैं तो 18 1 18, 18 2 36, 18 3 54. इसके बाद हम सोचने लग जाते हैं क्या होगा. 72, उसके बाद 90. So we are adding 18 every time and it becomes difficult. Now I'll do this way. 1 का table, and 8 का table. So 8 2s are 16. That is the reason I always say कि Vedic math सीखने के लिए there are only 2 eligibilities. One is tables up till 8, क्योंकि 9 का हमने सीख लिया easy. So otherwise tables up till 9 and single digit addition. जिसको ये दोनों आता है वो मैथ्स में कुछ भी कर सकता है, वैदिक मैथ्स कर सकता है. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40,
40.
8 6 are 48,
48.
8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and 8 10s are 80. So again just rearrange करना है हमें, उनको उनकी place values देनी है. That's all. 18, 6 is there, 1 goes there, so 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 4 is here, 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 2 is here. 4 plus, देखो यहाँ पे 18 ऐड कर रहे थे और यहाँ सिर्फ 4 plus 3 ऐड किया और हमें रिजल्ट मिल गया. यहाँ 0 is constant. 4 plus 5 gives me 9. 8 is constant. 6 plus 4 gives me 10. 6 is there. 7 plus 5 gives me 12. 4 is there. 8 plus 6 gives me 144. 2 is there. 9 plus 7 gives me 60. 0 is there. 10 plus 8 gives me 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Anyone who has doubt now? Ayan,
Sir, no
Kiara,
doubt.
No, sir.
कोई डाउट है बच्चों? कोई भी डाउट? अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है कि यू कैन राइट डाउन एनी टेबल्स. अपनी क्लास के ही बच्चों से पूछना क्या दे कैन राइट द टेबल ऑफ 99, 89 और 38, 98. लो अब इसमें हम एक बड़ा टेबल भी करके देख लेते हैं. इट्स नॉट सिंगल डिजिट, सिंगल. लेट्स सी 88 बहुत बड़ा आ गया. सो दोनों में हमने let's write up till 4 level only right now, just to give you a clear picture. So this can be written as it is. Now 6 is constant because unit place per hai. This one moves here. So 16 plus 1 becomes 17. How easy? 4. 2 plus 24 becomes 26. How easy it is? 2 is constant. 32 plus 3, it becomes 35.
Sir, it is so simple.
But you have not done earlier, na?
Yes.
So tell your teachers to train you in such methods, such easy methods. So Vedic mathematics is such easy. Similarly, we can do multiplication, anything we can do so easily. Yes, everybody ready? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Any number you want now? 1 to 99? Any number you want, or is it clear totally? Yes, Kiara? Are you feeling bored?
Sir, 188.
We'll do that also. But I was not doing 3 digit because I thought you people don't need that 3 digit. Otherwise, I'll do. Don't worry. Yes, it's more than an hour. 1 घंटे से ऊपर हो गया. बोर कौन कौन बोर हो रहा है? Who all are feeling bored? Yes, Kiara? जो बोर हो रहा है वो बोर लिखे, जो एंजॉय कर रहा है वो एंजॉय लिखे. I just want to hear from you. So all are feeling bored.
I am enjoying.
You have not written enjoy. Yes, Kanak is enjoying. Yes, Ayan. What happened?
Sir, I'm enjoying.
Enjoy के साथ साथ समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Clear? कोई डाउट है अभी पूछ सकते हो आप, कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें.
No, sir.
Okay, somebody asked me 188. चलो बहुत अच्छा हो गया, इजी नंबर दे दिया. अभी हम 1 ही लगा देते हैं यहाँ. Okay. Now see the difference. First is as it is because तीनों एक एक पोजीशन पे है. One is at unit place, one is at tens place, one is at hundreds place. Now second में 6 remains constant. Now 6, 1 goes and added becomes 17, but I cannot have again 2 digits here. So 7 यहाँ पर आ गया. 1 again goes to further. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 4 is constant. 2 goes here, that becomes 6. And this 2 goes further, it becomes 5. Is it clear? किसने पूछा था ये?
Sir, I.
What's your name?
Rudra Joshi.
Yes, Rudra, is it clear now?
Yes.
See, you have to have one digit at one place value. That is the only concept you have to remember. And add the corresponding digits. That's all. So again, 2 remains constant. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. And 3 goes there and it becomes 7. 0 is constant. 0 plus 4 becomes 4. And 4 plus 5 becomes 9. Is it clear? Any doubt? Anyone has a doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Good. Chalo, let's come back to our so now we can write down any table. Clear? Numbers ending with 9 is different. Others, we have a different concept. So this was what, if I have to write a table of 23, I can write 2 at unit tens place and move accordingly. So that is rearranging, that's all. 76, I can route. So I have already written 88. So now I am clear about this. Now, all of you, who is the father of Vedic mathematics? Please write down Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirth Ji. He was from Govardhan Peeth, Puri Jagannath. Do you know what is Jagannath Puri? How many of you know?
Sir, it's a holy place.
Yes, it is a holy place. So शंकराचार्य जी थे वहां के. जगत गुरु स्वामी भारती कृष्णा तीरथ जी, उन्होंने ये वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स लिखी है. He is known as the father of Vedic mathematics. So kindly write down, because when you are learning Vedic mathematics, you should know who was the man behind that. So he is Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirth Ji. Please write down in your notebooks, or if you want, you can take a screenshot. Is it clear? Any doubt on this? So what is now Vedic mathematics? What is the definition of Vedic mathematics? Write down, it is a collection of techniques / sutras or formulas which helps to make our mathematics easy and faster. Easy ban gayi hai abhi? Do you think easy hua kuch aapka? Kuch nahi hua easy?
Yes, hua.
So that is easy and faster. Fast bhi ho gaye. So Vedic mathematics की अगर simple definition कहें तो it makes our mathematics easy and faster. तो ठीक है? Is it correct?
Yes.
Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
You can take a, if you want, you can take a screenshot. अब इसमें 16 formulas होते हैं, जैसे हमारे maths में formulas होते हैं. We have 16 formulas and that is also known as sutras. and we have 13 sub sutras या sub formulas. So in total we have 29, and this can be used to solve problems in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, trigonometry, conics, and whatnot. Correct? Any doubt? Anyone has a doubt?
No.
No, sir.
So all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question arises. All of you think, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Because it is not a part of your curriculum. How many of you think like this? Yes, Kiara. Pratna. You're in which standard, Pratna? Pratna,
Ninth.
Ninth. So have you ever given this thought, why should I learn Vedic mathematics when it is not a part of my curriculum? Secondly, it is an extra burden now because it will not come into exams. Do you think this way? A thought might have come.
Yes, sir.
किसको आई?
No, sir.
क्यों? अच्छा, नाम अच्छा है इसका, क्यों अच्छा लगता है फिर? See, very often we think, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? So very first reason behind it is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. क्या अभी हम फास्ट हो गए थे? हमने कितनी जल्दी टेबल्स लिखने शुरू कर दिए?
Yes.
So that means our speed has increased.
Yes, sir.
So this is one reason why we should learn Vedic mathematics. It increases our speed. It helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. And I'll prove you now. Why do speed क्यों तेज होती है? Do you know anyone has a reason? Anybody knows the reason? I'll give you. See, आप कैसे लिखते हैं? How do you write? You write from left to right. How do you read? अगर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना है, बुक पढ़नी है, मैगजीन पढ़नी है, how do you read? That is left to right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But when you have
Yes, sir.
when you have to do mathematical calculations, आप उल्टा चलते हो. You go from right and then you come to left. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So why is it so? हम और यही एक रीजन है कि when we our speed gets decreased because हमारा जो माइंड है, हमारा जो ब्रेन है, that works in left to right, और हम एकदम उसको जब हमारा काम आता है कैलकुलेशन का, हम उसे उल्टा चलाना शुरू कर देते हैं. But in Vedic mathematics, you can solve any calculation from left to right also. So जब आप ब्रेन के अकॉर्डिंग काम करेंगे तो आपकी स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी. सेकेंड रीजन, मोस्ट ऑफ द कैलकुलेशन आपने देखा 12 का टेबल था या 18 का टेबल था, कैलकुलेशंस वर स्मॉल बिकॉज यू हैव टू ऐड ओनली सिंगल डिजिट नंबर्स एंड सच कैलकुलेशंस यू कैन डू मेंटली. यस और नो? फर्स्ट, अगर आपको सिंगल डिजिट नंबर्स को ऐड करना है तो उसके लिए तो रफ पेपर की जरूरत नहीं है ना, कि है जरूरत? How many of you need that rough paper for that? Please speak up. Kindly speak up, beta. So when we don't need a paper or pen, तो हम जब अपने मन से कर रहे हैं तो कैलकुलेशन स्पीड बढ़ेगी. Third thing, when we are solving using Vedic mathematics, हमारा right brain, left brain दोनों activate हो जाते हैं, and that increases our speed. Another reason is our visual ability increases. But chalo, let's first see the practical experience. Okay, take out your paper and pen again. A simple question. What is 26 into 11? A very simple question. What is 26 into 11? किसको किसको आता है वो करे, जिसको नहीं आता उसको मैं अभी समझाता हूं.
सर
कैसे किया बेटा? So this is how we do 26, 11, 26, 0, 2, 6. This is how we do. But no, in maths, in Vedic maths, we don't do this by this concept. No. जिसको नहीं भी आता वो समझे, ध्यान से देखे. अभी very simple method I'll give you. A very simple method.
सर 53 आंसर.
हाँ, 26 into 11, 53 कैसे आ जाएगा बेटा? No बेटा. Not possible. समझो कैसे करना है. देखो, whenever some number is multiplied by 11, so answer कैसे आता है? Write the first number as it is. Write the last number as it is. In between, add the two numbers. What is 2 and 6? 2 plus 6 gives me? Yes, Ayan, 2 plus 6 क्या होता है?
8.
देखो, ये मैंने सिंगल लाइन में कर दिया, ये आप इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन में किया. 2 6 into 11, 286, खत्म. ये देखो, check scene new. 3 into 3 into 11. What is the answer? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And last 3. 4 plus 3. So 4, 7, 3. 54 into 11. 5, 9, 4. Is it clear? किसको नहीं क्लियर हुआ ये बताओ?
It is clear.
Clear, sir.
Anybody who has a doubt? किसको डाउट है अभी तक? Anybody who has a doubt, please ask me. Done? Up till here, everybody is clear? Okay, so what is 72 into 11? Write down answers in your chat box. I want answers from everyone. Please write down in chat box so that we should know who is getting the concept.
792.
Who is this?
Shreyan.
Very good, yeah. You are too fast. You're becoming faster than calculator.
सर ये तो मैंने भी चैट बॉक्स में लिखा था.
Very good. बहुत
Sir,
अच्छी. हाँ
you
जी.
taught me. Thank you.
Okay, जी. Okay. So 81 into 11.
Sir, 891.
Everybody clear?
Yes.
Anybody has a doubt?
No.
Anyone? Please write down if you are clear, write down clear.
Sir, how to use this method for 28 into 11?
I'll explain now. I'm coming here on that. Who is this?
891. 891.
Very good. Who asked me 28 into 11?
Shreyan.
No, Sansika.
Great. Okay. Now see. Now if it is 18 into 11, it is very easy. 198. But what will happen if it is 19 into 11? Yes, anybody can tell me? Now see, first digit as it is, in between we have 10 and then we have 9. But I told you, you cannot have two digits at one position. So what will happen? This one will go to the first and this will become 209. Second example, 28 into 11. So 2, I get 10 in between, I get 8 here. So this goes here, I get 308. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has a doubt now?
No. Sir.
Now is it easy?
Yes.
See, verbally you can do this calculation. What was not easy, what was not possible before this workshop, can you multiply 18 into 11 such easily? Or you could have written tables. Speak up. Anyone who has a doubt? Yes, Ayan.
Now clear, sir.
Everything is clear now of 11.
Yes.
See, this is not
Everything.
okay. Can we let's try for a 3-digit number also. Okay, first let's have a biggest 2-digit number. What is the biggest 2-digit number?
99.
99.
Okay, then find 99 into 11. What is the answer? What is 99 into 11?
Sir, 1089.
Others?
Sir, 1089.
Other? Who else?
Sir, Rudrajesh.
1089.
Everybody got the same answer? Anybody has a
Yes,
different
sir.
answer? Anybody has a different answer? Anybody who has a different answer, let me know, please. Okay, so 99 into 11. So first 9, then 18, then 9. So this goes here, so it becomes 10, 8. Let's go for a 3-digit number now. 1, 2, 3. Now what will we do? Same concept. First digit as it is, last digit as it is. Now make the pairs of 2. So 1 plus 2 is? What is 1 plus 2?
3.
And what is 2 plus 3?
5.
How easy it is. So can you ever think 123 into 11 without calculator? Now even if you
Yes.
type, this is more faster than your type into a calculator. Sometimes, have you seen Shakuntala Devi movie?
Yes, sir.
That was same mathematical calculation. If I also, when I teach you, I say, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? A simple answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Because I am calculating, I am adding these numbers, corresponding numbers. Is it clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. Let's take a number where we get a carryover. 137. So 1 as it is. 1 plus 3 gives me 4. 3 plus 7 gives me 10. And last 7 as it is. So again, it becomes 1, 5, 0, 7. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Sir, answer is 1507.
Yes. Any doubt?
No.
Any problem? Tell me. See, first number as it is, last number as it is. In between, first you make this pair. 1 plus 3 gives me 4. 3 plus 7 gives me 10. So I cannot have 2 digits at one place. So this one shifts. So 1507. Okay, do 1. If this is clear, do 167.
Sir, 1837.
Others? Yes, correct. What's your name? Yes, tell me. What happened? Others, Ayan,
Yes, sir.
समझ नहीं आया बेटा?
No, sir.
फिर आंसर क्यों नहीं निकाला अभी तक?
I am thinking, sir.
क्या थिंकिंग बताओ? How can I help you?
Sir, I don't know the answer of this.
I don't know. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा, आपका ना माइक नहीं रहता आपके पास.
Sir, I don't know the answer of this.
1837.
Okay, sir.
आपका क्या आया?
Hmm. 2083.
20 कैसे आया बेटा? कोई बात नहीं, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. अब कितने लोग बोर हो गए? 1.5 घंटा हो गया क्लास, तो टाइमिंग 12:30 तक था. इट्स नियर अबाउट ओवर. So are you bored or still want to continue? Huh? Okay, let's come back. There is lot to more to learn. So this was how we did left hand side digit, add the digits, and right hand side digits. आपने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व किया, we were not multiplying, basically we were adding the corresponding digits. Yes or no? Kiara, क्या हुआ? What happened?
I am bored
Why?
because we've been learning for a long time.
That doesn't mean boring. That can be I'm tired.
Okay.
So you don't want to learn more?
I do not.
Okay, let's finish this topic, then we'll move. So did you see, we are not multiplying, actually we are adding the corresponding digits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is what was, I told you, magical. So why Vedic mathematics? Because it has reduced your burden. Now this is the burden. अब देखो बच्चे की शक्ल, आपकी शक्ल ऐसे हो जाती है. If before this workshop अगर मैंने पूछा होता, write down the table of 89, so सभी परेशान. Why should I remember tables? What for? Yes. Now you don't have to remember the tables. Yes, Kiara, you have to remember the tables now.
I already remembered all of them.
Sorry.
So we have to remember up to 9th.
Yes, so burden तो remove हो गया ना, हमें उससे ज्यादा तो नहीं करने अब. ठीक है. स्क्रैच वर्क खत्म हो गया. स्क्रैच वर्क क्यों खत्म हो गया? क्योंकि सारी कैलकुलेशन सिंगल डिजिट में आ गई. 18 का टेबल लिखना तो 18 + 18 नहीं ऐड करना मुझे रफ में. I have to just add 1 + 2, 1 + 3, 1 + 4, something like that, and that can be done mentally. साथ साथ मेरी फिंगर काउंटिंग भी खत्म हो गई क्योंकि स्मॉल नंबर्स आ गए. सी बेसिकली वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स में आपको नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, इसलिए वो छोटा हो जाता है. सो वी डोंट नीड फिंगर काउंटिंग. नाउ हु ऑल वांट टू इंक्रीज देयर कंसंट्रेशन? कितनों को कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाना है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट यू वांट योर कंसंट्रेशन टू बी इंक्रीज? किसी को बढ़ाना है? रुद्रा, Manaswini, Pratna.
Sir, I.
So what you have to do? You don't have to take any tonic for that. अगर आप 10 मिनट रोज वैदिक मैथ्स करोगे तो your concentration level will increase. Why? Because it is a mental tricks. आप mentally जब करोगे तो increase होगा. It increases your visual ability, your skills, your left brain, right brain, they get activated, and many more things. Silly mistakes खत्म, क्योंकि देखा आपने carry overs ही नहीं थे. Similarly, let me tell you one thing. There is no concept of borrow in subtraction. So in subtraction, we don't borrow anything. So you can think how easy it becomes. So do you think any disadvantages are there? Yes, Kiara?
No, sir.
Yes, we have. One is you will not like calculators anymore. And second thing, your speed would be faster than others. So people will be jealous of you. Okay. So come tomorrow with your doubts. And what you have to do is, I'll be sharing the homework. You just have to complete. Is it fine? Yes, everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now happy? I'm finishing it off. And rest we'll do tomorrow. So everything clear regarding tables, regarding fast multiplication, is it clear, or still you have any doubts? Anybody who has doubts? Who has doubts? All exhausted, all tired? Chalo, take a break. We'll meet tomorrow and just complete your homework. In case you find any problem, you can write down on my WhatsApp itself. I'll be sending through WhatsApp. If anybody has not saved my number, first save the number, because I'll be sending the homework through broadcast. So ask your parents to please save my number. Correct?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, then take care. Bye-bye and have a
Bye,
good
sir.
day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.